6, unable to send message on Messenger. 2026. Can't send messages on Messenger and getting an error? Don't worry. Here are the fastest fixes to get your messages working again. If this helps, like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Let's fix it. This issue usually happens due to internet problems, app bugs, outdated version, account restrictions, or server issues. Hanostark 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off for a quick reset. Hanostark 2. Restart Messenger. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. This fixes many temporary glitches. 3. Update or reinstall app. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Messenger. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. Number 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect time can block message delivery. Turn on automatic date and time in your phone settings. Number 5. Check restrictions or blocks. If messages don't send to one person only, you might be blocked. If nothing works, check Facebook account status for any restrictions. Number 6. Disable VPN and check server. Turn off any VPN or proxy. Also check if Messenger or Facebook is down using a site like Down Detector. Pro tip: disable battery saver or data saver mode, as they can block background app activity and stop messages from sending. Quick recap. Fix it by checking internet, restarting app, updating or reinstalling Messenger, correcting date time, checking restrictions, disabling VPN, and checking server status. In most cases, restarting and reinstalling Messenger fixes the issue instantly. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Comment below which step worked for you